reviewing the world down under.
Hey, g'day all. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for joining me today. Hope you're all doing good. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of something I've been waiting for since receiving my Mini 5 Pro, and that is a sunshade with a couple of little extra bonus features thrown in for good measure. So as for the Sunhood, I came across this one while researching it, and it piqued my interest as not only does it shade your screen from the sun, which as some of you will probably know is a nightmare when flying in Australia, but it is securely attached to the controller and provides protection for the screen and control sticks. Actually, talking of sticks, I also got this little set just for something different. I got them in gold, but they also sell them in red and titanium. They seem to be only compatible with the DJI RC, the RC2 and the RC Pro 2. They are CNC machined aluminium alloy and will directly replace the original sticks. But I always say it's worth having a spare set in the bag just in case. But anyway, back to why you are here. The case features the controller and Sunhood, which will hopefully protect the screen from any damage while being transported. And the bonus feature is you won't need to remove the control sticks every time you're done flying. So it's pretty much always ready to go as soon as you open the cover up. Right now on Amazon, this item has a 19% discount. So I will put a link in the description for all three items that I'm about to show you, as the control sticks currently have a discount of 35%. Now, although the Lanyard, I will show you here, also got this from Amazon recently. So although that has no discount at this time, there is Prime savings on offer where if you spend over $40 or $60 on certain products in any single transaction, you will get a 5% discounted on top anyway. So then that may be worth looking at, especially if you're planning on getting any of these items or similar. So let's get straight to the unboxing. This is all still sealed, so I have no idea what it's going to be like, what the quality is. You can share the experience with me. So while researching, I was initially just looking for a shade. I just wanted a shade to keep the sun glare off my screen. But obviously this one piqued my interest because it offers protection for the controller as well as being a sunshade. So plenty of foam in the box, so it's not likely to damage very easily in transit. It's well secured. So we have a couple of little tools in the bag. Okay, so we have two little thumb screws on there, and then we have a small Allen key. Right, so that's it. That's the controller hood. Again, just a very simple, probably 3D printed item, but designed to sit on the controller. There is two variants of this, because the RC1 does not have the aerials on the front of the controller. So if you do happen to look at these, be aware, as there is another one of these that is only suitable for the controller without the aerials. This one is specifically designed to occupy the controller with aerials. So let's just see if we can slip that on. That's it. It looks like it just clicks into place. And then looks like we have the little piece there where the thumb screws go in. Okay, that's nice and secure to the back. So as you can see, it's left out just enough space for your aerials to comfortably sit down. So that's okay. Then you've got a little gap there where the grill is. So yeah, it's obviously very generic, but It seems to fit. It does cover the slots right in there where you normally keep your control sticks hidden. But obviously, because this is designed to accommodate the control sticks staying in place, you're not going to need to keep removing this every time you want to access the sticks. So that's obviously a no-brainer. Okay. So yeah, so we got the hood there. And then as you can see, there's a little flap there as well, which comes out. And there you go. So you have a fully adjustable flap. And then you can also adjust the lid as well. So while I'm here, I will just attach these little sticks. There's again, there's a good little bit of pimping out. So yeah, there you go. There's a couple of little rubber feet just in the sides there as well. So I just noticed there's an Allen screw in here. So this will obviously be to adjust the tension. And then we can adjust the tension in this one as well. So the recommendation is to hold it by the base and then flip it up at the side, lift up your sun hood, and you're good to go. So there you go. Nice, quick, easy one there, guys. It's a fairly flush fit. Like I say, it's just a small piece of plastic, but at the end of the day, if it serves its purpose, it does what it's supposed to do, then I'm happy anyway. It's quite cheap. I'm sure if you paid $60 or $70 for an item, it would probably be a very precise fit. But for the money, for 25 bucks, I'm just happy with the fact that I can put that into the bag as is, and it will be. The screen will be protected, the sticks can remain on there. I find that quite a burden, having to keep screwing and unscrewing the sticks all the time. I think it's just cross-threading waiting to happen, especially when you're out in the field. But yeah, there it is. Seems to allow ventilation underneath for the fan. Still got access to C1 and C2 buttons. Everything else is absolutely fine. And even the sticks are quite nice. Like I say, this also come from Amazon. But like I say, if you get it as part of a package deal, you're going to get the discount on there with Amazon Prime. The lanyard, very simple, adjustable. Nice little clips on there, as you can see, quite sturdy. Comes with 2 brackets with 2 grommets, so just secure it nice and tightly. And there you go. You can hang it around your neck. So yeah, my controller is complete. Protected, screen protected, sticks protected. I will be going out in the field soon with a drone. I plan on doing a small video with the Mini 5 Pro to do some flying, just check out gimbal movements and spotlight you know, some of the stuff on there, some of the little features that they offer, see what the sensor's like. Hopefully that'll be happening this weekend, but I will get back to you hopefully with another video and show you some of the flights around the lakes close to Brisbane, wherever I decide to go. So yeah, that's it. Nice, simple, quick one. Does a job, cheap and cheerful. So thank you for coming along with me and having a quick look. Like I say, I've always said before, if you like this video, if it helps you out in any way, do please hit the like button. It really does help make the channel grow. It is slowly growing. It will encourage me to make more videos and spend the money. I'll try and, you know, invest in things that I hope you'll enjoy. I love the fact that you are watching the videos. But if you could like and subscribe, maybe even leave a comment, leave me some feedback, that would be really appreciated. I would like to know I'm doing a good job for you guys, the viewers. So as always, this video is not sponsored. Products are always paid for unless I say otherwise. So keep safe, stay positive, and remember, don't let life bring you down. Have a good one.
Reviewing the world down under.